Ionization of water. Water ionize very small extent. Ionization of water at equilibrium H2O liquid plus H2O liquid gives H3O plus aqueous OH minus aqueous in aqueous medium. You know water acts as acid as well as base. The equilibrium constant for ionization of water K is equal to concentration of the product divided by concentration of the reactants. Here H2O into concentration of the H2O. You know undissociated water molecule at a constant. Here another constant value for this H2O, that is K dash, and goes to here. K dash is equal to concentration of this hydrated ion into concentration of the OH minus ion. K also constant, K dash also constant. Therefore, if another term is constant, Kw, that is ionization constant of water, is equal to concentration of hydrated ion into concentration of the OH minus ion. This hydrated ion also in the fashion of H plus ion into concentration of the OH minus ion. Value for Kw at 298 Kelvin. In pure water, concentration of the H plus ion, that is a hydrated ions, into is equal to concentration of the OH minus ion is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 7. Therefore, Kw is equal to concentration of H3O plus means hydrated ion into concentration of OH minus ion is equal to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 7 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 7, that is 1 into 10 raised to power minus 40. This is the value of Kw, means ionic product of water at 298 Kelvin is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 40. You know unit for this Kw, actual concentration of the H plus ion and OH minus ion, unit for the mole per liter or mole per decimeter cube. Here mole per decimeter cube into mole per decimeter cube, that is mole square. This is the unit for ionic product of water. Ionic product of water value different at a different temperature. pScale. pScale is related to the concentration of H plus ion, that is a hydrated ion in the form of H3O plus. Sorensen in 1909 explained the concentration of the H plus ion, that is a hydrated ion, in the form of negative logarithm to the base 10, that is known as the pScale. In this pScale, 0 to 7 means 0 to 14, value for 0 to, this is pH value, 0 to 7, this acidic pH, 7 to 14, basic pH, 7 neutral pH. Here value in the form of concentration. This is the pH value, and corresponding this pH value concentration of the H plus ion, that is a hydrated. Here those chemical or those substance having value 0 pH for concentration of this 1. 1 means 10 to the power here 0, 10 to the power 0, that is value for 10 to the power 0 is a 1. Therefore, here 1, 10 raised to minus 1 concentration of the hydrated ion, 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 3, up to the 10 to the power minus 14. What is meant by pH and pOH? pH means negative logarithm of base 10 concentrated hydrated ion or H plus ion. That is pH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of concentration of the H plus ion or hydrated ion. Same pOH, also negative logarithm to the base 10 concentration of OH minus ion. This is a pOH or this is a pH. pOH for basic, pH for acidic. This is the pH scale, not a pOH scale. H for neutral solution. For neutral solution, concentration of the H plus ion is equal to the concentration of the OH minus ion. You know H plus ion means hydrated ion. pH is equal to minus log base 10 concentration of the H plus ion. Here value for H plus is equal to OH minus, for neutral solution 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 moles per decimeter cube to log base 1 into 10 to the power minus 7. That is pH for neutral solution is 7. For acidic solution, concentration of hydrated ion is greater than OH minus ion. That is pH for this solution is less than 7. Means concentration of H3O plus ion is greater than 1 into 10 to the power minus 7. For basic solution, OH minus ion concentration is greater than concentration of the H plus ion. pH for this solution is greater than 7. Concentration of the hydrated ion is less than 1 into 10 to the power minus 7. The relation between pOH and pH. Relation between pH and pOH. You know ionic product of water at 298 Kelvin. Kw is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus. This is the ionic product of water. You know pH is equal to minus log base 10 H hydrated ion concentration and pOH is equal to minus log base 10 OH minus ion concentration. Kw is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus ion. At 298 Kelvin, is concentration of this H plus ion, that is hydrated ion, into 1 into 10 to the power minus 40. Take log of both the side. Multiplication log means log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. Therefore, having base 10 hydrated ion plus log base 10 OH minus ion concentration is equal to log base 10 1 into 10 to the power minus 40. Write the negative logarithm of both the side means minus log 10 minus log base 10 is equal to minus log base 10 1 into 10 to the power minus 40. You know pH is equal to minus log base 2 minus log to base 10 concentration of the H3O, that is a pH. Here negative logarithm to base 10 concentration of the OH minus ion plus POH is equal to minus log to base 10 1 into 10 to the power minus 14 log negative logarithm for this, that is a value for 14 means pH plus POH is equal to 14 at 298 Kelvin. This is the relation between pH and POH means pH plus POH is equal to 14. Then we know pH is equal to minus log base 10 concentration of the hydrated ion or concentration of the H plus ion. POH is equal to minus log base 10 into concentration of the OH minus ion. Kw is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 14 at 298 Kelvin.